Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And in this super quick video, I'm going to show you how to make text transparent in CapCut on PC and Mac. First things first, come to Media and then select Library. And I'm going to drag this black piece of media onto our timeline. And I'm going to slow it down so it's a little longer in length. Now I'll go over to text on the top bar and add some text on top and extend it to the same length of our clip. Now what I'm going to do is write demo, just keep it simple. I'll extend it to make it bigger. You can change the font, I'll just keep it as this standard one here. Then select the black media and the text and right click and select Create Compound Clip. Now we want to go back up to Media and select the local and let's add our media that we want to add our transparent text onto. Make sure the transparent text is at the top and then highlight it and come down to Blender, drop down Mode and select Darken. And you can see, we can see through the text already. You can now make the text bigger if you wish. And also, if you want a great effect, change the opacity. And let's take a look at that. Perfect. So that's how to make text transparent in CapCut on PC and Mac. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.